Welcome to No Bake Desserts lab-tested no-bake treats that are easy to make ahead and always set. Every recipe here is tested for texture, flavor, and clean slices so you get results you can trust. Start with our no-bake cheesecakes classic flavors and new twists, built to set perfectly in the fridge. Need something fast and party-friendly? Our dessert cups and jars are perfect for make-ahead serving. For clean, shareable treats, explore our bars and slices great for lunches, gatherings, and freezer stashes. We also share storage and make-ahead tips so your desserts stay fresh, firm, and ready when you need them. If something turns out too soft, we've got fixes simple adjustments that bring the texture back on track. Subscribe for new no-bake recipes and reliable tips and visit nobakedessertslab.com for the full step-by-step guides.